Hello everyone, it's 18th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have PM urges 10-year pledge to shed colonial mindset rooted in Macaulays 200 years legacy. Then we have historic first, India to source 10% LPG imports from US. Then we have Trump's tariff drag down Indian exports to US by 9% in October. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have Bangladesh ex-Prime Minister Hasina sentenced to death, says tribunal rigged. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have over 1500 polluting units shut in NCR CAQM. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have CM seeks Punjab Haryana cooperation on pollution. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have 150 kilometers in 7 hours following Omar's trail as he waited for the moment. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have Amir provided Omar logistical support, arranged safe houses, NIA tells court. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have India-Russia look to finalize new pacts during Putin's visit. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have after two suicides, BLO protests hit SIR exercise in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Rajasthan. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have special division and some final roles on February 10. Says EC, again very important for international, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have Iran cancels visa-free entry for Indians over trafficking cases. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Operation Sindoor was 88-hour trailer. Army chief warns Pakistan. Again, very important for international relations as well as defense perspective. Then we have new international student enrollment in US dropped by 17% in 2025-2026, says survey. Again, very important for. Then we have tiger safari on non-forest land, no night tourism, says Supreme Court. Again, very important for environmental perspective. Then we have digital strength with national progress to is Modi government's goal, says Amit Shah. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says from Jharkhand, an inclusive model for India. Again, very important. Then we have India's art boom carries a colonial hangover. Again, very important editorial. Then we have the world page where we have Sheikh Hasina from political dominance to death sentence. Then we have Trump urges House Republicans to vote to release all Epstein files. Then we have at UN climate meet in Brazil a prayer to save the sacred trees of the Amazon. All these news are very important for international relations as well as this one is important for environment perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have goods exports slip 12%, gold imports push trade deficit to an all-time high. Then we have ID Minister Vaishnav, government will shorten data protection compliance timeline from 18 months. Then we have Air India announces Delhi Shanghai service from February 1. Then we have unemployment rate sees marginal rise in urban areas in October. All these news are very important for economic perspective. Then we have how China dealt with air pollution lessons for India. And lastly, we have Trump tariffs major questions quantum before US top course. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.